Hey guys, Bruce here with the Aquarium Life. Put out a few videos now, and I thought it'd be a good idea to kind of do a video of me introducing myself, letting people know what the channel's about. Uh, First off, I wanted to kind of mention too, I'm very new to video. Obviously, you could probably tell. I hope to get better at it, but this right now is not one of my strengths. So I'm doing my best. Hopefully you can bear with me. A little bit about me. Ever since I can even remember, I've been into aquariums. I've always had a aquarium in my room. Growing up, I had this 29-gallon aquarium, and I remember going to the store and spending forever. I dragged my mom out there, and I go to the store and spend forever looking at all these fish and throughout the years, we've had all types of different setups, I just got so much enjoyment out of it. And then, later in the 90s, I remember setting up my first saltwater aquarium, and that was just amazing to me. I would be so excited to get home from work and see what had happened with the tank and how the fish were and the corals. And so basically, saying all this, I have a ton of passion for this hobby. I've met a lot of really cool people. I've made some good friendships that I wouldn't have had otherwise. And as much as this hobby means to me, I want to be able to share that with all of you guys. And I'm hoping that I can provide some content that's going to save people time and effort and grief. I've made tons and tons of mistakes doing this. I think I've made almost all the mistakes. Maybe probably not. I'll make plenty more. But another thing that kind of adds a little bit of value, I think, to some of these videos is I've always been very mechanically inclined. For almost 20 years, I worked as an auto mechanic, so I've got a lot of that background, so I can fix a lot of things. So nowadays, my full-time gig is just doing aquarium maintenance, but I also do some commercial maintenance where I'm going in and working on larger systems, working on pet stores, fixing equipment, things like that. So I'm pretty well-rounded. So with these videos, I'm hoping to do everything from helping people start up their very first aquarium to helping people on a more advanced level work with aquarium chemistry, work with different types of repairs. I'm hoping to do some reviews on equipment, and I can show you guys what equipment I've used, why I've used it, all sorts of things. So my day in and day out is it's aquariums. I get up in the morning, aquarium stuff, and I go to bed at night and there's aquariums. I'm just excited to share that world with you guys, and I'm hoping that you'll subscribe to this and tell your friends about it. And more than anything, I'm hoping that you'll let me know what you'd like to see. If you want to have anything explained, see something repaired, whatever. Just leave that in the comments, or you can reach out to me. I'm on Facebook. It's Bruce Ewald. Obviously, I'm on YouTube, and also on Instagram, vital_reef. I wanted to mention as well, I'm the owner of Aquatic Tranquility. That's my maintenance company, and I'm also the founder of Vital Reef, which is an aquarium supplement company. Again, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for bearing with my amateur hour video, and hopefully in the next year I can look back at all this and laugh. Thanks so much.